The Supreme Court states that something is illegal. Donald Trump then comes in and overrules them, says, no, we will decide what's legal and what's not. What do you think the media and the liberals would do at that moment? They'd be yelling, you fascist, racist, tangerine, exerting your totalitarian control over the nation. This is why all those stupid people who elected you should never be given the vote. Except for the fact that in this case, it was Joe Biden and the CDC that overruled the Supreme Court, stating that the eviction moratorium was not legal. They even gave them time to pass more of this malfeasance, this communistic takeover of private property, which dictates that somebody can stay in your house unending for free. And because it's bad policy, Congress was not able to do so. Now you have Biden and the CDC step in and state that we are going to overturn it. If Donald Trump would have done this, they would have been calling for a third impeachment. Over and over again, you see the duplicity, you see the double standard and the hypocrisy that the Democrats hold. This is an attack on the checks and balances system in the United States. Prove me wrong. The courts are there to impose the final will as to what is unconstitutional, what is legal. This went to the highest court in the land, and they ruled that the CDC did not have the authority to impose an eviction moratorium, not on private property, not on anything. The CDC's role is to deal with disease. Suddenly they get legislative power? No, that's up to Congress. But the Biden administration, knowing full well that it has no constitutional muster, goes ahead and tries to overrule the Supreme Court. Once again, Donald Trump does this. The entire media apparatus, every single person on the left, and I include myself in the statement that we would all be up and at 'em.
Up and at 'em! Up and at them!
We would be morally correct in doing so. But it's not even reported by the New York Times when Joe Biden does this. I joked with a buddy of mine that, oh yeah, you think the New York Times is going to report this? And you go to the New York Times main website and they completely ignore this. It's amazing to me, the duplicity and the double standard. And I just want to bring this to your attention so you can all see. Joe Biden overriding the Supreme Court is an attack on our Constitution, an attack on separation of powers. It is. There is no doubt about it. Prove me wrong in the comments section. Also, join me on Rumble or Odyssey, link in the description, because YouTube is a censorious, totalitarian, big brother entity, the Ministry of Truth. And once again, you are seeing the totalitarians, those who want to impose their will. These aren't liberals. These are people that believe that they know best and will impose by force their decrees. And this is the latest example. How can you vote Democrat? I left the Democratic Party because I see them creeping in this direction. And this is the latest example that is so far over the line that I am calling for Biden's impeachment, because he is attacking our Constitution, because he is attacking the separation of powers and the checks and balances enshrined by our beloved Constitution of America. Again, Rumble, join me there, or Odyssey. Peace out. Have a fantastic day. Leave YouTube and vote against the Democrats. You can vote Libertarian, you can vote Republican, but these are the totalitarians of our day. It's obvious. Peace out.